Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop, and yet again, it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics here to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how to swap outfits like magic in Adobe Photoshop, just using our new generative fill option. As you can see here, I've got this image of this guy in a tank top vest, and I want to add a sort of a formal shirt on him, and I'm going to use the generative fill to do that. First of all, what you need to do is make a selection. I'm going to use a lasso tool here, like so. Just come into the area and create a selection around the area that I want to apply the shirt to. Go. And then, as we know, we make a selection in Photoshop now, this little taskbar comes up, generative fill. I'm going to type in formal shirt, press enter, let the generative fill do its magic. And the benefit of this as well, we have three options to choose from. We can make a final decision. There's the first one there. There's a second. And there's a third. I think I'm going to go for the first one there. Like, oh. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can swap outfits around in Photoshop like magic, just using the generative fill option. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.